Today is very hot, huh?
Yeah, it's really hot today.
It's very hot. Alright, so tell me, how do I say today is very hot and I want to buy for you watermelon?
Today is very hot. I want to buy for you
Watermelon.
a watermelon, right? Nasi kuri kupisa.
Nasi kurukuru pisa.
Nasi kuri kupisa.
Nasi kuruku pisa.
Ndinoda
Dinoda
kukutengera
kukutengera.
mwiwa.
Niwa.
Yes. Mwiwa now, that's watermelon. Mwiwa.
Niwa.
Not Niwa. Mwiwa.
Niwa. This word?
Mwiwa.
Niwa.
Mwiwa.
What?
Mwiwa.
Niwa.
Mwiwa.
I think I'm not able to
Can you
pronounce
try
it.
it again?
Step by step, maybe slow.
Mwi.
New.
Mwiwa.
New. Oh, you need to roll your tongue, this one. I need to roll my tongue like that.
Yes, mwiwa.
New, yeah.
Mwi.
New.
Mwiwa.
New, yeah.
All right, it's okay. Then just you said, nasi ndoda kukutengera watermelon.
Nasi tindukera.
Ndinoda
Dinoda.
kukutengera
Kukutengera.
watermelon.
Watermelon. Nasi.
Ndinoda
Nasi dinoda.
kukutengera.
What?
Kukutengera
Kukutengera. Watermelon.
watermelon. But in short, it's mwiwa. Mwiwa. I think you can manage. Mwiwa.
New, yeah.
Mwiwa.
New, yeah. No, I don't think that I'm able.
All right, then just say ndoda kukutengera watermelon. Ndoda
Doda.
kukutengera
Kukutengera.
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Good job. So then it's okay. I think this one should be your homework then.
Yes.
Mwiwa.
What?
Mwiwa.
New, yeah.
It's okay.